Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm. I am extremely busy today, but if you missed our live Q&A last night, you missed something big. Myshire Farm is going to try to make history. So all this week on our website, myshirefarm.com, you're just going to go on there, pick whatever you want out. Jumbo wilds, pearls, pansies, fab fees, whatever you want. At checkout, you're going to use the coupon code, the state abbreviation of where you're at. So Ohio would be OH, California would be CA, Texas would be TX, so on and so forth. And next Monday, we're going to try to ship all 49 states plus Puerto Rico. I cannot ship to Hawaii right now due to regulations and they hate me. But the other 49 states plus Puerto Rico, and we're going to try to do 50 boxes to 50 different locations all at one time and make history. And in the meantime, you get 15% off your order. So check out our website, www.myshirefarm.com. Hit us up, use the coupon code, and we will get you some eggs and make history together. Good luck, and we'll see you then. Thanks.